Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Today's video, we're gonna do something a little different. Now, everybody knows I like to paint animals and paint birds especially, but today we're gonna try something a little different. We're gonna start with a canvas, and in this case, it's actually a linen board that we primed with acrylic paint. And then I used a stencil and metallic silver paint to go ahead and do this little pattern on it first. It makes it a little bit more contemporary, if you will, and just kind of fun. I actually can't take full credit for this whole idea. I stole it from another artist, and I really liked how her demo turned out. So I thought, I gotta do that. So here we go. We're gonna paint some goldfinches, and to add a little fun color with the yellow, we're gonna do the purple coneflowers, something that they really do enjoy eating. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So if you've been enjoying the video so far, I really appreciate it too. All my subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm always amazed that there's actually folks who wanna come and see what I'm doing, so yay. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and we'll go ahead and get started on the goldfinches. Here I'm just starting in with the darker values of the female goldfinch. I'm just laying it in, and it's basically just the blocking in stage at this point, but I will be adding the detail as I go along. And here we go. Let's go for a ride and lay some paint. Now I'm starting in on the male bird. And again, laying in the dark values. This color that you see going in the dark color is actually a dark version or a shade of gold green. And as I go along, you're seeing a little bit more cadmium yellow and hansa yellow going in on the bird. Of course, the male is the brighter of the two.